All right, so Whitmer and Coach Brown will get the winner of Bowling Green and St. Francis. Travis Lewis into it, as he usually is. Jaquil Wells gets the pass from the opposite corner, and he'll knock down the three with two guys in his face. Knights up 8. Jackie Harris gets it right back off the inbounds, and he goes from downtown. Boy, those corners are nice over there at Sullivan. Knights up 10 at half. Third quarter now. Jemiah Neal, we talked a lot about him. Nice to Harris, who finishes. St. Francis up 12. However, from that point, Bowling Green goes on a 17-8 run. We have seen this happen all year long. Jacob Konechny there, but the Knights, they somehow can do it again. Jaquil Wells finishes right there, and the Knights win 51-42.
Coach Lewis said, it's March. Everyone's going to give us our best shot. We just had to keep playing, keep executing. We knew we were the better team. We just had to slow it down and keep playing, and we did. He calls it a game of runs. It's always a game of runs. We go on a run, they go on a run. We just got to keep playing, doing our thing, and we'll come out with the win.